keep our spirits safe and easily accessible, King Salamander needed something unique, something captivating, something sexy. And what better solution than a piano converted into a bar, complete with custom lighting, hidden bottle rack, and refreshment chamber. Go ahead, take a peek. Our friend Dan Ford from Missouri constructed this masterpiece so we'd never have to leave the stage for a top-shelf libation. The brands that we work with, support, or just love to drink fill our bar with authenticity and opulence. See you soon, dames and gents.